Okay, plug the electricity at the right side of the machine with the foot controller. Okay, and then switch on. Okay, so the light will be on too. Okay, so the first thing we do is to wind the bobbin. Pick it up, the thread cone, pick out your bobbin, include it in the machine, the access thread just now, and then you continue to wind the bobbin. Make sure you wind at your consistent speed. Okay, so when it's 3/4 full, okay, just lift up your foot to stop the bobbin winding and push it to the left side. Okay, take out your bobbin and then insert at the bobbin area. Make sure your thread is anti-clockwise direction and drop your bobbin in. Okay, follow the entrance arrow and then cut it. Pull back the cover and you have completed your bobbin winding.